guys, I'm Victoria and I am going to show you an update of my Accutane journey after 4 months after stopping it fully. Since I've stopped it, it's gone back to oily. I find that my skin is a little bit oily, so I probably would come back to it if probably it starts giving me acne. So yeah, I'm going to show you what I use on my face. I've been using sunscreen. It's good for my face. It's not good if you don't put it on, especially if you're in New Zealand and you use Accutane. Put some sunscreen, girl. I might be considering going back on Accutane, say probably when it's summer, but not during winter. I like my face to be a little bit better like this during winter. It kind of gives it a little bit of a glow, but for summer I'd probably go back to Accutane depending on the condition of my skin. Okay, so from the last video that you've been seeing me, I think the second or third clip that you've seen me, I still use the same foundation. I've never changed my foundation from there. It's still the Estee Lauder. If I'm going to show you what it would look like, it looks something like this. This is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place makeup, but I use only a little bit of this, and then I just mix this with my moisturizer, and that is the April Skin Magic Snow. I just combined the two, and then that's pretty much my formulation that I use. In terms of concealing scars and pigmentations that have been remnants, I'm just gonna use the NARS concealer, and yeah, so this is what it looks like. Yeah, I just use it on my face too, and then I still use the same powder that I've been using, which is the Laneige Water Supreme Finishing Pack. These are the makeup that I use, so I just use it with a puff. I don't even use brush with it. It's got a little bit of sunscreen in it, so it's really good if I keep reapplying it. It's got an SPF of 25, PA triple double pluses. Another one that I use on a day-to-day basis is the Hourglass Mineral Veil Primer. Sponge, I just use this beauty blender, and then sometimes I just use the BB Cushion Puff on the go. I don't bring the whole beauty blender because it's way too big for this. For eyebrows, I like using a mascara because it stays put on my eyes a little bit more, and this is the Accutane Idol Mascara Brow. For the lips, I use a combination of 3 products just to get the right color that I like. It changes quite a little bit over time, but still pretty much the same. I'm using the Elise Fast. I've been repurchasing this from Mecca Cosmetica a lot of times because this is my favorite shade. This is the Elise Red, and I've been using L201, but I'm trying L101 at the moment. So it does look like a pen, but that's the one that I've been using. I might stick to that. I don't know, same price, but it's just a little bit different in consistency. Yeah, so I use the Benetton. I just use the little one because I don't want to purchase a big one and then crash it. It's a lot of product, it's so expensive, so I just get a little one, and this is already $22, so quite pricey. Another one that I've been using is this one here. It's from L'Occitane. My friend's sister goes to L'Occitane. She works there, and I like their lip products. They used to have this lip gloss that I really enjoyed, but they discontinued it, so yeah, I just get this one. The color Rose Plum. And that's pretty much my makeup. This is my favorite scent. This is called Apple something. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I've been using the whole time. And that's about it. That's my video for today. I hope you liked it. Bye.